Welcome back. This is Mrs. Rubright with Geometry 9.3 Homework Review Requests. This is on page 585 to 586. Numbers 9, 21, 24, 27, and 39 were requested. Number 9, reflect over y equals x. So the line y equals x, so this is my original triangle. Reflect over y equals x. So that would be like 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, right? They're the same digit always. Negative 1, negative 1, negative 2, negative 2, and so on. So it's this diagonal line that we are reflecting over. When we are reflecting over a diagonal line, the easiest way to do this is to just use the square method or the box method. So we go vertically and horizontally to the line and turn it into a square, and that tells us where our C should be. So this is our C prime. And I do the same thing for my B. I turn it into a square, and that shows me where my B prime should be. Then I do the same thing for A. And my A prime should be there. And then once I do that square method, I can actually erase the squares so it's not so confusing looking. So we are reflecting over this diagonal line, so if I fold my paper on this line, my A and A prime will be perfectly on top of each other. My C and C prime will be perfectly on top of each other, and B prime will be perfectly on top of each other. So this has been reflected over this line, y equals x. Okay? So if we're looking at our original coordinates, our original coordinate for A was at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, negative 3. Our B is at 1, negative 2, and our C is at 2, 3, 4, 1. And then, after we reflect, our A prime is at 1, 2, 3, negative 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. B prime is at negative 2, 1. And C prime is at 1, 4. So what you might notice is that when you're reflecting over the line y equals x, what happens is your xy becomes yx, flip-flop. That is your rule for reflecting over y equals 1. Okay? Number 21. You're given these 2 points. We want to find point C on the x-axis so that AC plus BC is a minimum. So we need to reflect over the x-axis. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 to the line, 1, 2, 3, 4 away from the line, and this would be our A prime. So if I am drawing a line between A and B, A prime and B, then I can see that the point of intersection on the x-intercept that makes this perfectly equal is going to be at negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, 0. Negative 4, 0 is going to be equal distance. So this right here is going to be, these are equal, here and here, sorry. So over here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, up 1, 2, 3, 4, over 1, 2, 3, up 1, 2, 3. These are not equal. I don't know why I put that as equal. Wasn't thinking, sorry about that. But these are equal, right? These are equal. I reflected it. And then this plus this is a minimum, okay? Those are going to be a minimum. (24). All right, so on 24, reflect in y equals x, and then reflect in x equals negative 3. So we have our original. And first we're going to reflect in y equals x. Well, y equals x is going to be right here again. It's that diagonal line, right? So if we're doing the square methods, our f prime is here. Our g prime I'm going to use my pencil just so I don't mess up. I'm going to erase my pencil marks just to make it a little easier to see what I'm doing. Okay, and we have our reflected triangle. Alright, now we're going to take our f prime, h prime, g prime, and we're going to reflect over x equals -3. So x is -3, 1, 2, 3, everywhere along this vertical line. So I'm going to count the line, count that far away from the line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is my f prime prime. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our g prime prime is at -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And a height of 1. Our h prime prime is at 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, -8, -1, and f is at 1, 2, 3, a height of 3. Alright, and then for our originals, our image, not our image of our image, but our first image, we were at 1, 2, -1 for h. For f, we were at 2, 1, 2, 3. And for g, we were at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. And those are the coordinates of my image, and those are the coordinates of my image of my image, my prime primes. Okay, number 27. The line y equals 3x plus 2 is reflected in the line y equals -1. Y is -1 here and everywhere along this horizontal line. So if I'm going to reflect over y equals -1, I need to count to the line, count that far away from the line. 1, 2, 3 to the line, 1, 2, 3 away from the line. This point's on the line, it stays on the line. This point right here is 1, 2, 3 to the line, 1, 2, 3 away from the line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And our new line is going to be, it has a y-intercept of -1, 2, 3, 4. It has a slope of down 1, 2, 3 over 1. Y equals -3x minus 4. Y equals -3x minus 4. Number 39. Use the point C at 1, 3. Point A has coordinates -1, 1. Find point B on AC set. Okay. So, we know that C is at 1, 3. And A is at -1, 1. And we're trying to find point B on AC so that AC equals CB. Well, it says to find B on AC. Okay, so that AC is equal to CB. Well, couldn't C just be my midpoint? So up 2 over 2, up 2 over 2. We'll put a B here, and then these are equal. This is the midpoint, and it's on this ray. So point B is at 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 5. The endpoints of FG are F at -2, 0, at 2, 0, and G at 3, 2. Find point H on FC so that FC equals CH. Find point H on FC. Okay, so I guess I have a C here at 1, 3. Oops. Sorry about that. So it said, find the point of FG, the endpoints of FG are here. Find point H on FC so that FC is equal to CH. Okay, so up 3 over 1, up 1, 2, 3 over 1. That would be at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0, 6. Find point J on GC so that GC is equal to CJ. Up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2. Alright, so J is at negative 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and that was the last point that you guys asked for. The last question that you guys asked for. So I hope you guys enjoyed the homework review on 9.3. Please like and subscribe and have a fantastic day.